To set up mobile hotspot on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select portable hotspot. Now if you enter it, you will see all of the settings for the hotspot as well as the tethering, but we'll focus on the hotspot for now. So now we need to power it on. Switch it on. So if you click on the switch, that turns on your hotspot, and depending on the settings, now it's visible for others nearby. You can then click on Set up portable hotspot to adjust the settings, like changing the name for your hotspot. You can also see or edit the password for your hotspot. If you don't want to have password, click on Security and pick None. If you want to have password, pick one of the security WPA protocols. Then there's the device identification. You can put it on default or you can set it to portable hotspot. You can also hide your SSID. If it's hidden, it says on right here. That means somebody else will need to connect manually to your network, so he needs to know the name exactly as well as the password. Next things that you can do here is put the one-time data limit. If you selected that, you can activate it and then you can adjust the size of how much somebody else will be able to use your hotspot. For example, for 50 megabytes, that means if they use 50 megabytes from your hotspot, it will either turn off and notify them, turn off without notifications, or you can just disable this feature entirely. Then there's option to turn off your hotspot automatically, which should shut down your hotspot when there's no devices connected. And that is all of the settings when it comes to portable hotspot. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.